Do you work day and night, handle clients, increase sales, but still end up broke at the end of the month? Does your business only look big on the outside, but in reality, your profit is zero? If yes, then trust me, this video can shake your mindset to the core. Today we're talking about the final and most important chapter, where profit first is not just an accounting trick, but a way of life, a way that shifts every decision you make toward profit. In this video, find out how to turn profit first into a habit and a lifestyle so that you can extract consistent profit every month, no matter what kind of business you run. And make sure you stay till the end, because we'll ask a question that just might change the course of your business and your life. So let's begin this final and game-changing journey of profit first, only on Invested Intellect. Chapter 1. Profit is not an event, it's a habit. Since childhood, we were taught in business, sales expenses equals profit. That is, earn first, then spend, and whatever is left is the profit. But Mike says this thinking keeps us broke. Profit doesn't remain. It has to be taken out first. Mike introduces a new formula. Sales profit equals expenses. Take out profit first, then run your business with what's left. Here comes a powerful concept, Parkinson's Law. You spend what you see. If your account has $1,000, you tend to spend all of it. But if you remove the profit first, you'll learn to operate smartly with what remains. Mike says profit is a mindset, and it must become a habit. Take out profit at the beginning of every month, then run the business. Now a crucial question. If you save $10 out of every $100 starting today, where will you be in 5 years? Want to learn in the next chapter how small systems can make your business permanently profitable? Chapter 2. Core Principles of Profit First. Mike Michalowicz explains that just changing formulas isn't enough. We also need to change how we handle money in business. For that, he shares 4 core principles that are the foundation of this system. 1. Use small plates. Just like using smaller plates helps you eat less, use smaller accounts in business to avoid overspending. Small balance equals less spending equals more control. 2. Serve sequentially, take out profit first, then taxes, then owner's salary, and finally expenses. If money is short for expenses, cut costs or increase income. This discipline makes the business stronger. 3. Remove temptation, transfer profit and tax amounts to accounts that are hard to access, maybe a separate bank or auto transfer setup, so you won't touch the money unless absolutely needed. 4. Enforce a rhythm, set a fixed schedule, weekly or monthly, to allocate money. This rhythm keeps you connected to your finances and builds discipline. Mike's message is clear. When you remove profit and tax before spending, you become the owner of your business, not just a struggling manager. Now a question. If you change just your accounting system, can your business earn 10x more profit next year? Let's find out how to practically implement this system in the next chapter. Chapter 3. Setting up profit first. Now that you understand the concept, Mike Michalowicz walks you through the exact setup process. Step 1. Open 5 separate bank accounts. Mike says you need 5 special accounts for your business. 1. Income account. All your business money comes here first. 2. Profit account. A fixed percentage is transferred here regularly. 3. Owner's pay account for your personal salary. 4. Tax account. Money saved for taxes. 5. Operating expenses account for daily business expenses. Now every dollar gets a name before being spent. No confusion. Profit First's magical allocation strategy. Every time your company earns money, you split it into the 5 accounts by percentage. Example, for every $100 earned, 5% profit, 50% owner's pay, 15% tax, 30% operating expenses. This system forces you to think profit first, and that's where the magic begins. Start small, think long. Even if you start with just 1% profit, DOIT. Consistency, not perfection, builds wealth. Now a question. If you assign a purpose to every dollar before spending it, could your financial life change in 90 days? Find the answer in Chapter 4, where we break the mindset that blocks your profits. Chapter 4. The Core Cause. Here Mike teaches a deep truth. What is the root cause of our financial problems? The answer: our mindset and traditional accounting. The illusion of traditional accounting. Sales expenses equals profit. This logic always leaves us with nothing. Expenses are endless, so nothing is left as profit. Mike calls this foolish thinking. Behavioral shift. Parkinson's Law again. Work expands to fill the time available. In money terms, spending increases to match the amount available. If your account shows $100,000, you find ways to spend it. But if it shows $30,000, you spend wisely. That's why Profit First hides money from your view, so you pause before spending. Don't rely on willpower, use systems. Discipline is not about willpower. We are human. We cheat ourselves. We need systems that force good decisions. Profit First is built with human behavior in mind, not against it. Now think. Can you save money without changing your habits? Or do you need to change your thinking first? Answer lies in the next chapter, where Mike shows how to increase profit step by step with strong strategies. Chapter 5. The Foundation Power of Bank Accounts. Mike suggests opening new bank accounts. Why? Because out of sight, out of mind. What you don't see, you don't spend. Profit First uses this psychology. The 5 accounts you need. 1. Income account. All revenue goes here. No spending. 2. Profit account. The true game changer. Transfer a portion first. 3. Owner's pay account. You're the owner. You deserve a salary. 4. Tax account. No tax worries when it's pre-saved. 5. Operating expenses account. Whatever is left is for business needs. Profit First allocation rhythm. Transfer money twice a month, on the 10th and 25th. These are called allocation days. This routine builds financial control and clarity. Setting percentages. Set fixed percentages for each account. E.g., 5% profit, 50% owner's pay, 15% tax, remaining for expenses. Start small. Consistency is key. Now ask yourself, have you ever set a salary for yourself, or just taken what's left? In Chapter 6, we'll learn how to set and adjust these percentages based on your business size. Chapter 6. Power of Perfect Percentages. Mike teaches how to decide the right percentages for profit, tax, owner's pay, and expenses. Current reality versus target allocation. Understand. CAP. Current allocation percentages. What you're doing now. TAP. Target allocation percentages. Where you want to go. Example. If you earn $100,000 and save nothing, your profit cap is 0%. TAP might be profit 5 to 10%, owner's pay 50%, tax 15%, expenses 30 to 40%. Business size-based model. Mike gives a model based on business size. 1. Up to $25 lakh per year. 2. $25 to 50 lakh. 3. $50 lakh 1 crore. 4. $1 to 5 crore. 5. Over $5 crore. As business grows, expenses go down and profit, and owner's pay go up. Slow and steady wins. Mike warns, don't jump from 0% to 10% overnight. Adjust by 1 to 2% per quarter. Small steps lead to big change. Parkinson's Law reminder. You spend what you see. Reduce your visible funds to control expenses. Challenge yourself to spend less and earn more. That wraps up this part of the Profit First journey. Now a question. If you're not getting the right amount for owner's pay and profit, then who exactly are you running your business for? In Chapter 7, we'll learn how to apply the Profit First percentages in real life and how you can gain financial confidence through discipline and systematic allocation. Chapter 7. Bring the Profit First system into your life. In this chapter, Mike Michalowicz explains step-by-step how to take the percentages you've learned, the new bank accounts you've opened, and turn them into a daily, weekly, and monthly routine. 1. The allocation rhythm. Allocating income weekly/bi-weekly. Mike believes that instead of allocating money at the end of the month, you should do it on the 10th and 25th of each month. That means, take the income you've received and split it into your new accounts based on the percentages. This keeps your company's cash flow consistent and controllable. Let's say your business account receives 100,000 rupees. Your target percentages are profit 10% equals 10,000 rupees, owner's pay 50% equals 50,000 rupees, tax 15% equals 15,000 rupees, operating expenses 25% equals 25,000 rupees. Now just send this 100,000 rupees into your different accounts using these ratios. 2. Embrace bank balance accounting. Mike reminds us, you're used to spending based on what you see in your bank balance. So design a system that works with that habit. Profit First takes this psychology and uses it to your advantage. Now, when you see only 25,000 rupees in the operating expenses account, you'll stick to that amount. 3. Avoid the transfer trap. Mike warns, never transfer money back into operations from your profit, tax, or owner's pay accounts. Doing so is like stealing your own hard-earned money. That's why maintaining discipline is crucial. 4. Quarterly profit distributions. Every 3 months, withdraw 50% of the amount from your profit account and celebrate it. Why? Because the real joy of business is when you enjoy the fruit of your labor. Keep the remaining 50% in the profit account for emergencies or future growth. Now a crucial question. Are you paying yourself a salary from your business or just making others rich? In Chapter 8, Mike will share how to reduce operating expenses and create a leaner, more profitable business, and what changes are needed to do it. Chapter 8. How to find hidden money in your own business. Mike Michalowicz reveals a very important point in this chapter. In most businesses, money isn't lacking, it's just trapped in the wrong places. What does he mean? The cash flow in your business is leaking into unnecessary expenses, useless memberships, and non-essential things. 1. The impact of Parkinson's Law. Mike explains that if you have 100,000 rupees, you'll spend 100,000 rupees. But if you only have 60,000 rupees, you'll manage within that amount. That's why you must shrink your operating expenses so your mind becomes more creative. 2. Identify subtle spending leaks. Mike suggests creating a monthly spending review ritual. In this, ask, are there tools or subscriptions you don't use? Are any vendors overcharging you? Are there tasks you can do yourself or outsource more cheaply? Plugging every leak increases your profit. 3. Real-life examples. Mike quotes several small business owners who adopted Profit First and reduced their expenses by 30 to 40% within just 2 to 3 months, without sacrificing quality or service. This is the mindset. Cut fat, not muscle. 4. Embrace creative constraints. When you have less to spend, you become more innovative. Mike calls this a creative constraint. It's the condition where you get better output from your team, your vendors, and yourself, creating more value with fewer resources. Now a critical question. Is your business leaking money that you haven't even noticed until now? In Chapter 9, we'll learn how to save profit for the future, and how to not just withdraw profit but compound it too. So are you ready to make your money work for you? Chapter 9. Withdraw your profit and celebrate. In this chapter, Mike Michalowicz focuses on a fresh and essential concept. Profit shouldn't just exist on paper, it should be visible in your pocket. That means the profit accumulating in your profit account should also be used, but in the right way. 1. Don't touch the profit. Until the right time. Mike advises that the money in your profit account should only be withdrawn quarterly, every 3 months. The purpose is to reward yourself and your team. But do not touch that money in between. This is a self-disciplined system that makes a business financially mature. 2. How to use your profit. According to Mike, here's a simple rule for using profit. Use 50% of the amount for a reward or celebration, like a vacation, bonus, EMI-free gadget, or fulfilling a small dream. Put the remaining 50% into an emergency fund or debt payoff. 2 benefits of this. 1. You stay motivated because you see the results of your hard work. 2. You grow financially stronger without stress. 3. Respect your profit. Mike repeatedly says, think before you touch the profit. This mindset is what takes a business from growth to wealth. The Profit First rule gives you discipline, clarity, and motivation, so you make decisions based on logic, not emotion. 4. Why profit celebration matters. When you withdraw profit and spend some of it on yourself, your brain wants to repeat that behavior. It creates a psychological loop. Profit, right pointing arrow. Celebration, right pointing arrow. Motivation, right pointing arrow. Better business decisions, right pointing arrow. More profit. And now a question that will make you pause and think. Have you ever withdrawn so much from your business that you could celebrate your hard work with joy? If not, then is your business working for you, or are you working for it? In Chapter 10, we'll learn how to align profit first with your personal finances and bigger goals. Join Book Samradja. The next chapter can change your financial mindset forever. Chapter 10. Make profit first a way of life. In this final chapter, Mike Michalowicz talks not just about a system. He guides us toward a mindset and lifestyle that can completely transform any small or large business. The core message of this chapter is, Profit First isn't just an accounting system. It's a lifestyle that changes the way you think, decide, and work. Mike explains that when you fully adopt Profit First, you become more conscious and responsible about money. Your business gains clarity and control. You earn profit every month, not just at year-end. The fear of taxes disappears because you've already set the money aside. And most importantly, you start living with mental peace. Mike also shares that implementing Profit First 100% isn't a one-day task. It's a journey where small steps are taken every day. Gradually adjusting percentages, leaning down expenses, and most importantly, training yourself and your team into the system. This chapter is filled with real stories of countless business owners who adopted Profit First, got out of debt, saved money, and started living their dream lives. Mike's final message? Profit gives you freedom, and every business deserves that. Now an important question. Will you just read Profit First, or will you live it? Because the difference is between knowing and adopting. So friends, now you've learned that real business growth doesn't come from sales. It comes from systems and discipline. Mike Michalowicz's Profit First isn't just a book, it's a mindset revolution. If you've understood today's lessons carefully, you too can join the ranks of those who pay themselves first, and then everyone else. Now the question isn't whether Profit First works or not. The question is, are you ready to implement it from today? If yes, then like this video, share it with your entrepreneur friends, and comment below telling us which small but powerful practice you're going to start first. And if you want us to decode more books related to business, finance, and success, then subscribe to Invested Intellect, because here, we don't just read books, we build lives from them. We'll meet again in the next video with a new book and a new mindset. Until then, remember, profit isn't an event, it's a habit.